pair of twins. Or run me through it. Why do you support Sunrisers and why do you support CSK?
I like SRH team because Abhishek plays there, and I also like David Warner, so I support SRH.
CSK?
I am MS Dhoni fan, and I also like Chinnathala Rohina.
Is there a little bit of rivalry between you two at home? You know, like, what is it like?
Yeah, if it is a match between CSK and SRH, there is a clash, but if it is in other matches, then it is opponent is not.
Tonight you're Sunrisers.
Yeah, now I am Sunrisers today.
Prediction time. Who scores the most runs tonight?
Today to score 50,
Most wickets?
most wickets.
And we're going to go player of the match. Who scores the most runs tonight?
Ayush Matre, the junior king, he is going to score around 50 plus. CSK going to win. Khalil will get the most wickets.
So Khalil Ahmed, most
Yeah.
wickets. How many?
Around 4 or 3.
Around 4 or 3. And
He
player
is going to get head and Abhishek in the first over.
Okay, then, no, let's not go there. Player of the match, though? Player of the match, who?
Ayush Matre.
CSK Sunrisers. Battle of the wooden spoon today. Who wins?
Of course, CSK wins because I'm born and brought up in Chennai. I'm a fan of CSK. I've been watching every single game here from 2008. So now we are here in 2025 and going forward also. My first captain was Dhoni. My last captain is Dhoni. He will be there. We are here to bash the Sunrisers. I'm sorry, with due respect, you're wearing the Sunrisers jersey. I'm wearing an Indian jersey because Chennai is also my team. Hyderabad is also my city. RCB is my city. Calcutta, we are all Indians. That's why I always fancy an Indian jersey. But my heart goes with CSK. Born and brought up in Chennai. Tonight, we are going to beat Sunrisers left, right, and center.
Gee, very confident.
Very, very, very confident. See, when a lion is injured, when a lion is in the jungle and injured, that's the time it's very fierce. The prey, it goes behind the prey very hard. We've lost 6 out of 8 games. This is the first time ever in this many years that we are just 2 wins out of 8. Now the times will reverse from tonight. We qualify or no, it doesn't matter. We have 5 trophies in the cabinet. And except Mumbai and Chennai, nobody can race to the 6th trophy. It's either going to be Mumbai or Chennai this year, next year, maybe 10 years later. Nobody can come from behind. A team like RCB or Punjab Hosen 0, or a Sunriser which does not have many trophies except for winning in South Africa SAT20. They cannot come and beat us with 6 trophies. We are the ones who are going to reach 6 first. I am very adamant that my team is the best team. It will always be. It's just a bad phase. But as Tala Dhoni said, he's making a base for the coming years. He's, like you saw the movie Lion King. They are all preparing the Simbas. All the Simbas will grow into big lions who will get more trophies for us. And I've been watching all your videos for several. I never thought we'll meet face to face because you're not an Indian national. You have been traveling across the world. I'm lucky to have met you. My name is Vicky.
I'm lucky to have interviewed you.
I
You speak very, very well.
I love all your videos. And the best one was that popcorn one. You were selling popcorn in some stands, I believe.
Yeah,
That
in
was
Mumbai.
And you resemble the English player Sam Curran very, very much. God bless
Who
you.
plays for Chennai?
Yeah, God bless you. He plays for Chennai, but very less opportunities this time. I think somewhere we have gone wrong in that place. Like Convoy was not opening in the beginning. Then unfortunately his father passed away. He had to leave the squad. We are having too many changes in batting and bowling. That is why the consistency is lacking. All these years we always had fixed bowling lineup, a fixed batting lineup, and of course everybody was fielding well. But now you see the too many tries. Nevertheless, it's 43. Tala might decide. See, one fine day he had put up a tweet on X saying that from 7:27 hours tonight, consider me retired from Test cricket. So that's how we never know when he retires. He may retire today, he may retire after 2 years also. But he wants to create a base for CSK. That 5 trophy legacy has to continue. That is what is aim of Dhoni. And we as fans, despite losing 6 out of 8 games, are here today, standing, being interviewed by you, and going to watch the match live and going to see SRH lose. That's because we love Dhoni, we love CSK, we love India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Now, prediction time. I just need 3 predictions. Who scores the most runs tonight and how many?
See, the newcomers are doing very well, but still, I think Rachin Ravindra is due. Knowing him from, see, today I was reading a stat. He has played 90 balls of power play in this particular season and he's not scored a single 6 in those 90 balls. So sometimes it is a time to reverse. I'm sure the management would have spoken to him. According to me, I feel Rachin Ravindra will be the top scorer today across both the teams.
How many runs?
Maybe 90.
Maybe 90 odd. Gee, that
90,
is a big
yes,
innings.
yes. Yeah, 100 is too much to expect, so I'm standing on 90.
You're saying a 90.
Yes.
Most wickets.
Yes, most wickets I'll go for Noor Ahmed. He was the purple card holder in the beginning of the tournament. And SRH is not a very strong bowling outlet. No, Mohammad Shami has been an ace bowler for India, but that day he gave 76 runs in 4 overs, which is 24 balls. Highest ever runs considered by him. and Pat Cummins and others, I don't see them in form. So I'll give all three to CSK, best batter, best bowler and best fielder. Best fielder will be Ravindra Jadeja, taking all catches, be it point, be it gully, be it slip, or be it long on or long off. He's
What
going to
about
take
man
all
of the
catches.
match? Man of the match.
Man of the match, according to me, I would love to see the 43-year-old farmer take the man of the match. If he gets 10 balls to bat and if he hits 8 sixes, 48 not out, he's the man of the match. I know I'm expecting too much, I'm going overboard, but then life is all about expectations. We never know what happens in cricket. Where there is a will, there is a way. Dhoni has shown us the way. I would love to see him be man of the match every single match that CSK plays. My heart is that way from 2008, not from now.
Thank you for your time. Enjoy today.
Thank you so much.
All right, boys. Prediction time. Who scores the most runs tonight?
Absolutely, it would be Travis Head. Travis Head.
How many runs for Travi?
So, as a cricket fan, we need to understand the pitch condition. As it is a Chepauk, it would be a low-scoring game. As if Sunrise heads to bat, as we have a aggressive batsman. So, if Section Man Travis Head plays for more than six overs, it would be around. I am expecting around 180 plus score for this pitch. Yeah.
Your predictions? Who scores the most runs tonight? And who?
I think they are going to go all guns blazing. One of them is going to be the top scorer.
One of them's going to be the top scorer.
Pura Ahmed for me.
Who gets the most wickets tonight? And how many?
Absolutely, and the slow balls. So, I'm expecting Harshal Patel will be picking more wickets for the Sunrise Hyderabad. Yeah.
How many?
Around three wickets for Harshal Patel.
3 wickets for Harshal Patel. Now, player of the match. Who's it going to be?
So player of the match, it would be end of the day. Both teams have other must-win games. Even Chennai, they need to win this game to compete in the IPL. And even SRH, we are coming down after two continuous losses. So we are expecting Sunrise Hyderabad as the player of the match. I'm expecting.
For you?
Player of the match, probably a dark horse like a Thala. He comes in around.
Thala?
Yeah, Thala, he comes in, hits a few sixes, wins us the game and wins the player of the match like they did in Lucknow. Surprisingly, but yes.
And coming to Sheikh Rashid, is a Telugu guy from Guntur. Even I'm very excited to see him playing the opening pair. He's replacing Rutraj. In very young age, he's replacing Rutraj, and I want to score him the good way and SRH to win the match. Join.
Ready, everyone? It's CSK fans, you've got to scream. Sunrisers fans, you've got to scream. Let's see who gets the loudest. Ready? Sunrisers or CSK? Must-win clash for both sides. Fans are excited. Atmosphere, you can feel the atmosphere here. We're in for an absolute rip-roaring game. Who's it going to be? Is it going to be Taladoni? Or is it going to be Sunrisers led by the one and only Paddy Cummins? Let's see. Very well this season. What's gone wrong?
It's been so disappointing season as for now, but we don't lose our hope. I think if we can be so magical so that we can get a 6x6 win also.
6x6 we're saying.
I still hope we can have still a chance to get into the semis.
Starts tonight.
I still trust the Cummins. I know.
You believe?
We saw him in the World Cup 2023. He was so different person.
We did see that, didn't we?
Yeah, I think it's not an end still to the SRH. We hope still we can go into semis.
Your opinions on CSK led by Taladoni?
I don't think that's a proper batting team. It still have a proper bowling, but batting is so lagging for the team. I think it's not going to be their night today. It's for sure it's going to be SRS night today.
Oh, let's hope so. Prediction time: who scores the most runs and how many?
I think Ishan Kishan will score. I think he should get a comeback for sure.
He's going to come back. How many runs?
I think you should get like 70 runs.
70.
Yeah, 70.
We can pray for that.
I think it's going to be a medium level of scoring, like 180 to 190. I think.
So it's Ishan Kishan's night.
Yeah, I think Ishan Kishan.
We
He needs a comeback. He needs a comeback for sure.
He does need to come back. Wickets? Who gets the most wickets?
Pat Cummins.
How many?
Captain, I think he's gonna get 3 wickets. I think.
3 wickets for Paddy? Oh, I hope so. Now, player of the match. Who's it going to be?
I think it's Ishan Kishan.
Ishan Kishan with his 70 odd.
Yeah.
Let's see if your predictions are correct. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good work.